Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this video are available in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with using eSIMs, and your mileage may vary. Today, we're diving into a review of SimCorner's eSIM services, specifically their offerings available at eu.simcorner.com/pages/shop-eSIM. Navigating their website, you'll find a plethora of options tailored to different travel needs and destinations. SimCorner aims to provide a seamless digital experience for acquiring an eSIM for your mobile device, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards and the hassle that often comes with them. Their website outlines various data packages, validity periods, and regional coverage options, allowing users to choose the best plan based on their individual travel plans. One of the key advantages that SimCorner highlights is the convenience of instant eSIM delivery. No more waiting for a physical SIM card to arrive in the mail. You can purchase and activate your eSIM directly from your device before, or even during, your trip. This is a particularly appealing feature for last-minute travelers or those who prefer a digital-first approach to travel preparations. The website also offers information on compatible devices, ensuring that users can verify compatibility before making a purchase. They emphasize the ease of installation and activation, promising a straightforward process that gets you connected quickly. Further exploration of the SimCorner website reveals support resources and FAQs designed to address common user queries and troubleshoot potential issues. They seem to understand the importance of reliable customer support, especially when dealing with essential services like mobile connectivity while abroad. Pricing details are also clearly presented, enabling users to compare different plans and make informed decisions based on their budget and data requirements. SimCorner appears to focus on providing a comprehensive and transparent service, from initial browsing and purchase to ongoing support throughout your travels. While individual experiences may differ, SimCorner presents a compelling option for travelers seeking a convenient and potentially cost-effective solution for staying connected internationally. They clearly aim to simplify the process of obtaining and using an eSIM, potentially making it a valuable tool for modern global travelers.